out of the box. It's a cliche that means to think of cliched situations in ways that aren't cliche. Hey everyone, this is Kritika Arora sometimes, and in today's video I'll be sharing some tips that can help you in creative thinking. But first, why is it really important? Have you ever wondered why the percentage of successful people is really low? In my opinion, it's not about the resources you have access to, it's not about the universities you went to, it's not about the formal education you got, but it's definitely about the way you think, the people you stay with, the people you meet, the way you exercise your mind, and many more things that relates to you as an individual. And it's just very much about the ideas you have, just like Newton discovered gravity when he saw a falling apple. The famous John Kellogg's and his brothers Williams found cornflakes really randomly when they were just trying to roll overboiled wheat into some dough. It just actually separated into flakes, and they discovered they could bake it into a crispy snack, and now Kellogg's is just the most preferred breakfast around the globe. So basically, the major difference between ordinary people and leaders is just the creative thinking. And it was not any inbuilt feature in them, it just definitely takes some exercises to prepare your mind to work creatively. And here's some tips that can help you in creative thinking. Number 1. Think like a kid. Innovative and new ideas comes when you think fearlessly. Kids just have no filters when they think, and it's exactly what's needed to be creative. Ask a lot of questions, be fearless, and do not ever hesitate to try out to experiment with new things. Number 2. Be playful yet disciplined. Just build a very good ratio between playfulness and discipline. Okay, I know Netflix and all is really tempting. We all want to watch some good famous TV series, and you don't have to avoid it. All you need to do is just maintain a really good balance. There should be a perfect ratio between productivity and productivity. For example, even if you're on YouTube and you're watching 2 videos for the sake of fun, make sure you also watch 2 videos that benefit you as a person and you actually end up learning something from them. Don't check your phone just after you wake up. Reaching your phone first thing in the morning can really mess with your morning. It just simply hijacks your brain to function properly. You should avoid screens just after you wake up and stay away from your devices even if you work online. And also try to set your alarms on alarm clocks. They are meant for that purpose. Just focus on unintentional thoughts in the morning and cherish some me time. Number 4. Attend random events, meet new people. Now I'm definitely not talking about those Indian weddings. Just look around your social media. There might be some really productive things happening around. Just go and witness them, meet new people, get inspired and learn something new. And by any means, if you can't, you have this little device in your hand. There's just a lot of great and inspirational content all around different platforms. Just go for that. Watch TED Talks videos. There's also video coverages of international events. You can just learn a lot of things online. Number 5. Go for a walk alone. Okay, I have discovered this very recently. The 70% of the creative insights I have is when I'm out there for a random walk. Letting your mind wander is good for your creativity, and isolation is just a perfect room for productivity. Number 6. Do some reading daily. What you read can influence your life drastically. If you want to be inspired, read inspirational books. If you want to feel happy, read books on happiness. Reading is a great way to get your mind thinking and your heart feeling. Number 7. Write down your task. Writing down the task for the day is crucial. It helps you to be more productive, more efficient, and you'll be more proud of yourself for achieving your targets, and hence making you more confident about the decisions you take. So these were the things that really helped me out to have good and unique ideas. And if you want to share something that helped you to be creative, do share that in comments for me and other people to read, and let's just grow together. I just hope you guys found this video helpful. If yes, do give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends, siblings, or anybody who needs this. And also, to watch more content like this in future, do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell button so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you for watching.